everyone, good morning. My name is Agrofania, and today I will present my project for Bahasa Inggris 2. In this presentation, I will explain two topics. The first topic is computer hardware, and the second topic is software and operating system. I hope this presentation will be easy to understand. Let's get started. Okay, let's begin with topic 1, computer hardware. In this topic, I will explain what hardware is, the types of input and output devices, and also how the CPU and store work. So, what is computer hardware? Let me explain on the next slide. So, what is computer hardware? Computer hardware refers to the physical components of a computer. These are the parts that we can touch, see, and feel. Hardware is divided into two categories. First, internal hardware. These are the parts inside the computer, such as the CPU, RAM, motherboard, hard drive, and power supply. Second, external hardware. These are the parts outside the computer, such as the monitor, keyboard, mouse, printer, and scanner. One important thing to remember: hardware and software were together. Hardware is like the body, and software is like the brain. Now let's talk about input and output devices. An input device is a device that we use to send data or commands into the computer. For example, the keyboard is used to type text and commands. The mouse is used to point and click on the screen. The microphone is used to record audio input, and the scanner is used to convert physical documents into digital files. Now, an output device is a device that receives and shows results from the computer. For example, the monitor displays visual information. The printer produces physical documents. The speakers output audio and sound, and the projector projects images on the screen. Next, let's talk about processing and store. First, the CPU, which stands for Central Processing Unit. The CPU is often called the brain of the computer because it executes all the instructions from programs. The CPU speed is measured in GHz. The higher the GHz, the faster the computer. Modern CPUs have multiple cores, for example 2, 4, or 8 cores. The most popular CPU brands are Intel and AMD. Now, for store devices, these are used to save and keep data in the computer. There are several types. HDD, hard disk drive, uses magnetic store. It's the traditional type. SSD, solid state drive. It is faster than HDD and has no moving parts. RAM, random access memory. This is temporary storage that helps the computer run programs faster. USB, flash drive, a small portable storage device. Cloud, online storage that we can access from anywhere. Great! That was topic 1 about computer hardware. Now let's move on to topic 2, software and operating system. In this topic, I will explain what software is, what an operating system does, and what are the popular operating systems in the world. So, what is software? Software is a set of instructions for programs that tell the hardware what to do. Without software, hardware is just an expensive piece of metal. It cannot do anything. Software is divided into 3 types. First, system software. This controls and manages hardware resources. Examples are operating system, device, drives, and utilities. Second, application software. These are programs for end users, the program we use every day. Examples are Microsoft Word, Google Chrome, Photoshop, and games. Third, programming software. These are tools used by developers to create hardware software. Examples are Python, IDLE, and Eclipse. Now let's talk about the operating system, or we'll call it OS. The operating system is the most important software on a computer. It manages all the hardware resources and provides service for all hardware programs. Simply said, without an OS, the computer cannot work. The OS has 4 main functions. Number 1, process management. It controls which program run and when. Number 2, memory management. It allows its run to programs that are running. Number 3, file management. It organizes files and folders in store. Number 4, security. It protects the system from unauthorized access. Now, let me tell you about the popular operating system that are used around the world. First, Windows. Made by Microsoft, Windows is used on personal computers and in offices. It is the most popular desktop OS worldwide. Second, Mac OS, made by Apple Inc. Mac OS runs on MacBooks and iMacs. It is very popular among designers and developers. There, Linux. This is an open source operating system, which means it is free and can be customized. It is widely used on server and by developers. Fourth, Android. Made by Google, Android runs on smartphones and tablets. It is the most used mobile OS globally, and most of us are probably using it right now on our phones. Okay, so let me give a quick summary of what I have presented today. Topic 1, computer hardware. Hardware refers to the physical components of a computer, including the CPU, RAM, stored devices, and both input and output devices. Topic 2, software and operating system. Software is a set of programs that run on hardware. The operating system is the most important software that manages all computer research. Popular examples are Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Android. That is all from my presentation today. I hope it was clear and easy to understand. Thank you very much for your attention.